Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. I know in this sort of current climate it's not been the best of times for anyone really to sort of talk about training and gym gear, but I'm actually going to be bringing out a load of videos showcasing how I've actually been at home making my own axle bar, 2-inch axle bar, 2-inch dumbbell bars, and also making various other gym equipment. I just want to apologise if the quality of the video is not great. It was partly filmed whilst in my garage, and obviously this has been edited at different times, so I just wanted to let you know about that as well. I'm happy to answer any questions in regard to this video. I did cut it back, so basically this is just a 2-minute video just explaining exactly how I made it. Now, everything you can source here in the UK or US or wherever you're based is basically scaffold poles, so they're 3 to 4 mil thick. 7-foot scaffold poles, and these are all sourced online, as well as are the collars that come with the grub screws with the Allen keys to sort of tighten up either end as well for the 2-inch Olympic plates that can be added on either side. So I just wanted to make that clear for everybody that that's sort of how it's made. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as you can see, my in isolation decided to shave my head. I don't know what I really think about it, to be honest. It's alright, missing things alright. Sorry if it's a bit red, I've probably burnt it today. As today is April the 22nd, I believe. So yeah, hope you like the video, and I'll be trying to edit in small videos a bit better, but as you can tell, the timing with everything's not great. But I hope with this helps you guys out, because in the UK it cost me less than £30 to make this. And with the price of weights going up and up and up, which is extortionate at the moment, I really hope this helps you guys out. So yeah, have a good look. All the prices are at the end of the video as well, and try it yourselves. Let us know how you get on. Alright guys, take care. Probably just not uploading sort of recently, but as you can tell, in the sort of current times, it's not been sort of best of time to upload any videos at the moment. But I thought I'll just let you know that I've uploaded a video showing sort of how you make your own sort of at-home 2-inch pressing bars, really, for axle bars, dumbbell press. So this is just a short video. It's only about a minute and a half long. I've sort of cut it back. If there's any questions, let me know. I hope it helps some of you guys out. I'm just in my home gym at the moment, and my 8-year-old dared me to shave my hair. So yeah, so this is why I'm obviously on the board at the moment. But yeah, stay safe, stay strong, and I hope this video helps you out.